Welcome to Cabo Properties YouTube channel. Kushe Cabo. Hello. This is Cabo Properties YouTube channel. My name is Showers. I've got another news to bring again to you guys. Again, it's not great news so far, but I've got to bring it to you guys so you are kept informed of what is happening in Sierra Leone. But before I bring you the news, please support this channel by subscribing. I've been checking at the analytics, and I've noticed that again, about 74% of you guys watching our videos haven't subscribed at all. Please subscribe. We want to get this down to 50%. That is the challenge we have, to get this down to 50%. So please subscribe. By subscribing, which is free, you will help this channel more than you even know. So please subscribe. It is free. Just click the subscribe button. Just do us that favor. Just click it and share the video. But most importantly, click it and like the video. Please do that for us. Yeah. Okay, so thank you for doing so. So let's get into the news. Makeni, this time it's Makeni I'm talking about. For those of you who don't know, Makeni is another city in Sierra Leone that's in the north of Sierra Leone. I think it falls under Bombali district, and it is the district headquarters. So it's a big city. Has been hit really badly by floods. Flooding is taking over the city, just like how you've seen the other videos I posted about Freetown. Now it's Makeni. I would like to talk a lot about it, but there are videos, so it is better I show you the videos so you can see what's happening there than I talk. And at the end of the video, I'll probably explain a little bit more of what the people are saying, but you probably understand it anyway. So maybe I just give my own opinion at the end of it. So have a look.
Brother, why is no the water? See? All over the shop. All over the shop. All over. All over. The shop show. All over the shop. See the water? All over the shop. Oh, table now store. I tell you, floppy. Now go upstairs for smart is item when necessary. See them like the store. See the store. See the store. See ya. See the store. All over. Tell them floppy. All over. Yeah. All is all the items when necessary. The word and it. See? It's an envelope and shop show.
Banner road, water don't flop, you don't spoil all my shop. Banner road. Make banner road. Oh, na cinnamon. Oh, na cinnamon. Banner road, là iso.
Emine, 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 Eladi, Emine sana, Emine, 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 Eladi, 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 Emine, Emine, Where are you? Okay.
Did you see that? Did you hear what these people are saying? You saw those shops, yeah? You saw the streets, and you saw that lady's apartment, and you heard how she was crying bitterly. It is very, very sad. It is really sad. And unfortunately, these kind of situations are happening because of us, because of the people, because of the government, because of the ordinary person, everyone. That is why we are having this type of situations in the country. Yeah? If we look after the country, if we make sure those drainages are clear, are clean, if we're not throwing any kind of rubbish in the drainages, if the country is planned well, if we don't just rampantly cut down the trees, if we grow more trees, these kind of things can be prevented. But we are not doing that. We are chopping down trees, breaking down stones rampantly. We're putting all kind of rubbish in the drainages and blocking the drainages. People are building in waterways, blocking all those waterways. This is the result. So we're calling on everyone, but of course the government, national disaster management, we need you guys to take active steps. We need you to be proactive. We need to have a plan for the next 5 years, 6 years, 10 years, 20 years. What do we want to see? And how are we going to go about, planning and executing those plans to prevent these type of situations in the future? We need that. It's not science at all. It's not rocket science. If we don't look after ourselves now, that means we're not going to be able to look after our grandchildren even. Because there will be nothing left for them anyway. Because this is going to get worse if we don't, look after the town, the country now. It's going to get worse. And the rains just keep coming heavy in Sierra Leone. So we need to plan in advance. Anyway, this is really, really sad, unfortunately, but it is what it is. Let's take steps. I'm going to stop here for now. Please don't forget to subscribe. It is free, guys. Please don't be those ninjas that just watch and don't support. Please hit the subscribe button. Do it now before you leave. Do it now. Hit the button. It's free. You don't have to pay anything for that. All you need to do is just tap on it. Just tap on it. Click like on this video and you're sorted. Of course, if you have an opinion you want to let us know about that opinion, drop it in the comment section. Whether about the flooding or just what we are saying or other things we've said, please drop that in the comment section. Yeah, if you have any questions for us on businesses in Sierra Leone and any other things they want to talk about, let us know. We're always open to collaborate. We're always open to talk to people and give our own knowledge as well, share our knowledge of businesses and other things to do with Sierra Leone, etc. Yeah. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. My name is Showers and this is Cabo Properties YouTube channel. Peace.
Right, folks, don't forget to
Subscribe to this channel now.
That's it. Okay, so Jimmy Carter, tell the people, say subscribe to this channel now. Tell them.
Okay. Welcome to Egypt.
Yeah, and tell them to subscribe. Say subscribe now.
And Jimmy Carter now here.
Yeah, no, you tell the people. Say everybody watching, subscribe to this channel right now. Say that.
What is this?
Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yes, subscribe.
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 Yes.
Yeah.
To the channel.
So now.
Yes. Say that. You tell them, say subscribe
Subscribe
to
to
the channel
the channel
right now.
right now.
Yeah. Say that in Arabic. Say that in Arabic. Tell them to follow me. Say follow this channel now.
Yeah. I mean Jimmy Carter.
Yeah.
Stay here. 9 pyramid.
Yes.